Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday sounded a stern warning to those depositing black money into Jan Dhan accounts. Addressing a Parivartan rally in Moradabad, Prime Minister said that corruption is the root cause of all the problems that the country is facing. He also said that the use of smartphones for digital transactions will lead to ending corruption from this country.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday warned those depositing their money into Jan Dhan accounts to convert their black money into white. Addressing a Parivartan rally in Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh, the PM urged Jan Dhan account holders not to return the money that others have put in their accounts. He added that the government is working hard to devise a formula to send all those who deposited their money illegally into their accounts to jail and to ensure the money goes to poor households.
ये जन धन अकाउंट वाले जितने हैं, ये अपने पैसे जो बैंक में आए हैं किसी के, उसको रखे रखोगे कि नहीं रखे रखोगे? कोई कितना ही दबाव डालोगे, उठाओगे नहीं ना? अगर आपने रखे रखा तो मैं कोई रास्ता खोजूंगा। मैं दिमाग लगा रहा हूं अभी, मैं दिमाग खपा रहा हूं कि ये गरीब के खाते में जिन्होंने गैर कानूनी तरीके से डाला है वो जाए जेल में और गरीब के घर में जाए वो रुपया।
Responding to criticism over long queues outside banks and ATMs since demonetization decision was announced, the Prime Minister said that this will be the last queue for the people who've been standing in queue for the last 70 years for their daily needs.
आपने देश को कतार में 70 साल तक खड़ा किया है, उन कतारों को खत्म करने के लिए ये मैंने आखिरी कतार लगाई है भाइयों।
He also said that development is the only solution to all problems faced by the country. He even slammed opposition parties for lack of development in the state.
अगर विकास करना है तो हो सकता है, लेकिन सिर्फ अपनों का ही विकास करना हो तो फिर राज्य का कभी भला नहीं होता है। आपने वो सरकारें अब तक देखी है।
Talking tough, the Prime Minister said that corruption will not go on its own and has to be wiped out. He said 40 crore people in the country have smartphones. They can use their smartphones for mobile payment transactions, which in turn will lead to ending corruption from the country. He also said that corrupt rich are not doing any favor, as they've looted this money from the poor in all these years. Slamming the opposition, the PM said that there have been several governments in the past which have made several announcements for development, but they were never implemented. However, this is the first government which implements its decisions. The PM also referred to hundreds of villages which do not have power even 70 years after independence. He said that more than 950 villages in Moradabad and its adjoining areas have been electrified ever since his government came to power. The PM also said that he salutes the people of the country for standing for long hours in queues following demonetization announcement. With inputs from Bikramjeet Singh, Bureau Report, DD News, Moradabad.